Hello my students, how are you? Grade 6. Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 15. Last time I explained weekly assessment number 13 and 14 in one video, okay? Today I will explain weekly assessment number 15. We'll talk about outlier values and the median and also mean, and we can find the range. First step about the solution, you must read exactly all words and then start to find the answer. You must think. He asked about here number 1, a value that is significantly greater or smaller than other values in a set of data. We called it what? Outlier. Outlier value, it will be what? Like if we have digits 20, 21, 22 and 30 or 900. The 900 we call it the outlier value. Outlier value has a long distance between all the digits behind together. Understood? Then the answer here will be letter D again. Value that is significantly greater or smaller than the other values in a set data. We called it outlier values. Like what? We have 3, 2, 1, 5 and also 90. 90 here is the outlier value. Okay, we called it the outlier value. Next question. Space largest subtract smallest, we called it range. The range is the largest value subtract smallest value. Next question. Find the median and the mode for the values this. We can find the median. First step, you must arrange all values and then find the number lies in the middle. Okay, then we can write 1, write 0, 0, 1, 3, 5 and 7. Then the lies between them, 3 plus 1 divided by 2, we can find the median. 1 plus 3 divided by 2, because we have two numbers in the middle. 4 divided by 2 equal to, then the median will be 2. And also we can find the mode. He asked about mode and median. Then the mode, what is the number the most repeating here? 0. 0 is the most repeating. Then the mode will be 0 and the median will be 2. Next question, number 2. Observe the opposite dot plot and find the outlier. We have the outlier here will be 4. Here, all number 9, 10, 11, 12, but the outlier numbers here will be 4. The answer about this question, 4 is the outlier value. Okay, next question. Find the range for the values. We can find the range, find the difference between largest value and the smallest value. The largest value here was what? 13, and the smallest 7. 13 minus 7 equals 6. The difference between two numbers equals 6. Then the range will be 6. Next, model B. Space is the most frequency value of values in set of data. We called it mode. Mode is the most repeating, the most frequency value. We called it the mode. Okay. Next question, number 2. It is a measure of spread. We called it the range. The range is a measure of spread. But mean and the median and the mode, we called it the center density. The measure of center density. Mean and the median and the mode. But range is the measure of spread. Okay. And also the standard. Okay. Range. We call this the range. The measure of spread. We can find the distance between, or the difference between maximum and the minimum to find the range. The answer here will be letter A. Next question. Second, find the median and the mode for all the value. First step, we must arrange from smallest to greatest, or as you like. Okay, greatest to smallest, you must arrange first. Write 4, and if we have digits repeating, you must write it 4, 4, and also we have 5, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and the number lies in the middle, where 5 plus 6 divided by 2. Okay, we have two digits in the middle. Then the median, we can write 5 plus 6 divided by 2. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 divided by 2, it will be 5.5. Okay, understood? 4 was repeating here in the mode equal 4. The mode here will be 4. Next question. Observe the object dot plot and find the outlier. Look at here. The outlier point here will be 14. 14 is the outlier. In question number 2, we can write the answer 14 because 14 has a long distance between all the 6 and 7, 8. And 14 is the outlier points. Next number 3, find the range. We can find the range by finding the difference between maximum and the minimum of all values here. We have 14 subtract by 6 equal 8. Next question, model C. The case of outlier exists. Space is a rate measure of central density. We called it what? Who can tell me the case of outlier? Okay, we can use here what is important about if you have outlier, you must use what? Use median is the exact answer. But if you use mean, they're not correct, answer not correct, and the range also not correct, and the mode not correct if we have outlier. So in the example, in any example, if you have outlier point like this 14 in the example, look, if you have 14 outlier points, you must need what? You must need what? Oh, can tell me? You must need median. We must use median. So median will give me the exactly or the number nearest to the exactly. But if you use mean, not correct. Your answer not correct because he won't find the measure of center tendency. The best method here we can use median. Median is the center of tendency. We can use it when we have in the example outlier. In the case of outlier exists, to find the answer of center density, you must use median. Understood? Like this example, we have 6, 7, 14. Who can tell me what is the method? Give me the exactly balanced point. It will be what? It will be median. Okay, don't use mean. Choose letter C. Next question. Largest value subtract by smallest value. We called it range. The range. Choose letter A. Find the median and the mode of all values. We can arrange first, right? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we can write the median equal, right? 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 5 divided by 2 equal 2.5. The result will be 2.5. This is the median. The median, it will be 2.5. And the mode here, the most repeating was 2. This is the mode. Okay. Next question. Observe outlier point here. We have two outlier points, 5 and 7. About question number 2, we have 5 and 7. Question number 3, find the range. We can find the range, subtract between maximum here was 20 and the minimum was 7. 20 minus 7 equal 13. Okay, so last question about this exam.